Hey guys, this is Nick with Concord Concrete Pumps, and on today's episode we'll be showing you how to change the filters. We got 3 filters. We got suction filter for your accumulator pump, we got the boom filter for your boom filter pump, and we got the return filter for the return of the oil. So the boom filter is located on the passenger side of the truck, right underneath the hydraulic tank. So first we're gonna start with the boom filter. It's located between the truck and the pump itself. So usually you have an indicator here which would show green. Unless it shows red, then you'll have to change your boom filter. So we'll start with the boom filter. It will need a 30mm wrench. So you first start from untwisting the filter housing. After you take off the filter housing, you will go straight ahead and take out your boom filter. Make sure the O-ring is still intact so you don't get another one in there when you put the new filter in. Here we got the new filter, and all we have to do is just put it in the spot. So it's in there now. All you have to do now is put the cover back in. Boom filter is done. Let's get to the suction filter. And the suction filter is located on the driver's side of the pump, right on the hydraulic tank. So the suction filter supplies hydraulic fluid to your accumulator pump. To change that filter, you'll have to take off the cover, and then the filter will be inside. So first we'll start from taking off the cover. Okay. After you take off the cover, the filter will be right on it. So all you have to do is just change the whole thing and put it back in. So the suction filter is pretty easy as well. Once again, once it's on green, that's good. When it's on red, change the filter. Okay guys, finally we're doing the return filter. So to take out the filter from the filter housing, you'll need to take off the return hose. You'll need to take off the steel pipe. You'll need to take off 6 bolts, and then the cover comes off, and then you'll have the filter in the base. So let's start doing that. Here we are. Took off the 6 bolts. Now we have the cover, the base is here, and the filter sits in the base. The filter sits in the sleeve, so you just put the filter on top of the sleeve, and that's it. Take off the base top. Here you have the base that the filter sits in, and to pull out the filter, just like that. Take a new one, push it in, press it on the sleeve. Now put the lid back in, put your bolt back in. Thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned for more upcoming videos. See you guys later.